Hey, this is Ian for Group Talk Summary, January 23rd. Today we were talking about our personalities, which was pretty interesting because we talked about our personalities, whether or not we're organized or disorganized, and we talked about a lot of marketing, a lot of really interesting marketing things related to personality, like color and sounds, the effect of sound and the effect of color on consumers, and the difference between men and women. So today was very interesting. Thank you for coming. Some words we learned today. The first one is commit. And like I explained, commit can have two uses. It can be a verb for when you commit suicide or commit crime, such as committing murder or commit theft. So anytime it's a crime, you commit crime or you commit suicide. But then you can also commit to something. So my example sentence is, I want you to commit to studying English, which means I want you to work hard on studying English and spend a lot of time. I want you to commit. I want you to be serious. So in marriage, too, we say commit to each other. Second word we learned, flashy, which is the opposite of plain or the opposite of boring when it comes to clothes or accessories or something. So my example sentence is, I threw away my old boring watch and bought a new flashy one. And then of course we also learned optimism and pessimism, or optimistic and pessimistic. So optimistic people see, so if you imagine there's a glass and half of it is water. It's 50-50, water and nothing. So optimistic people see the glass as half full. Pessimistic people focus on empty. The pessimistic people see the glass as half empty. That's an expression that we say. Okay, some mistakes I heard today. Using why. Why is always a question. And when you aren't asking a question, the opposite is reason. So instead of why I want to learn English is blah blah blah, you say, the reason I want to learn English is blah, blah, blah. So the reason I want to learn English. Okay, and another mistake. This is really difficult. This is pretty unique to English grammar. Have been doing something or had been doing something. So somebody says, I have going to the store, for example. I have reading this book. But you always have to have been. I have been reading this book recently. I have been going to the gym recently. But like I said, that's pretty advanced English grammar, so don't worry about that one too much. And once again, thank you everybody for coming, and I'll see you at the next group talk. See you later.